So now we are going to see how you can create a test suite and how you can edit it, how you can add test cases in a suite, and how you can take advantage of test suite. So first navigate to the test list, and here you will be seeing your test library, and from the top you will be seeing these tabs. So navigate to the test suites tab, and on this tab you can create a test suite. So first you need to understand what is a test suite. So test suite is used to execute groups of test cases. Let's say there are 5 test cases related to login and I want to execute all 5 of them. So for that I will create a suite and add those 5 test cases in a suite and execute them. You can also add multiple like 5, 10, 20 test cases in a suite and execute it. So you can name it as a bulk execution of test cases. So in order to create a suite, just click on create suite, and here you just have to write the name of suite like login suite, and then write the description like all test cases of login, and then you have to add the test cases that you want to execute in this suite. So right now we have only one test case for this suite, so I will select it and click on OK. Yeah, your test suite is created successfully. So let's just add one more test case in this suite. So for that, first we need one more test. Navigate to the test list and duplicate it. So for that, first select it by clicking on it and then click on this icon clone. So it will create a clone of this test. Project will be same test to be clone. Yes, select this test and confirm. So now clone of first test which is cloned, rename it and rename it to the login test. Click OK. So now you have two tests. The first one is first test and login test. So now we need to add this login test in our suite. So for that, come back to the suite, click on it and click on edit. From here you just need to select the login test, or you can also select the select all. You can also search here if you have a long list. You can also search your test case which you want to add. So just click on OK. Now your test suite is ready. Now let's just execute it and see how it works. Click on it and click on play. So you can also see you can also duplicate a suite. Whole suite can be duplicated into two. So let's just play it. Click on OK. Here you can also change the base URL of whole suite. Like there are 20 test cases in a suite, and you can change the URL for all those 20 test cases. So for that, override the URL and change your URL. And if you want to run it in incognito mode, then click on it. So I will be running it in simple mode. Click on OK. Your execution is started and a new window is opened, and it will go and try to log in. Enter the username and enter the password and then click on login and then log out. So your first test passed successfully. And if you go behind and see, 1 out of 2 passed, duration, concurrency, browser, execution is local, and it's running the second execution. So now second test also passed successfully. So now just wait for it. It's, yeah, status is passed, 2 out of 2 passed, duration 47 seconds. And if you double click on it, you just go to the inside the, you can say, the logs of that suite. So here you can see first test passed, duration 90 seconds, status is passed, the login test which also like started time, duration and status passed, 100% success, 2 stats passed, average duration is 22 seconds, And you can also rerun this test with same parameters by clicking on this, and you can abort the run. Like this execution is being going on, you can abort the run by clicking on here. You can also export the results into CSV. So yeah, that's all for this lecture. See you in next lecture.
So guys, if you like my video, then please share it and subscribe my channel.